Hi, this is Linda Shea with Drilling Contractor. Today I'm at the 2019 IADC Well Control Conference of the Americas in Galveston, and I have with me Pete Bennett, who is chairman of the IADC Well Control Committee. Pete, thank you for being here.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Can you tell us briefly what have been some of the activities of the Well Control Committee?
So we've certainly we look at new technologies. We talk with as many different aspects of the industry as we can. There's been a big increase in members coming from the land side, which is good to see. Personally, I'm an equipment guy. I feel sometimes this is a bit of a job by default. It should be a driller's position, but been very proud to be the chairman the last 2 years nearly. And then next year, the chair will come from the land side, so there's a good interaction there. Things change. We've spoken a great deal on concerns that some mispractices within the industry. It's very good for companies to be able to share and realize you're not the only one with a certain problem.
And I understand there is a well control practices subcommittee that is very active. Can you tell us what that group is trying to achieve?
Certainly, that's chaired by Paul Solheim from SafeKick. He was previously with Chevron, so they're basically saying, and Mike mentioned it in this morning's presentations, that well control training hasn't really changed since the 80s. This is something that the group are looking at the practices of. It's not just about getting a high mark in the exam, it's following those practices when you're offshore in the job. It's so important. So they're looking at some of the practices and saying, do we really still do this? What do we do? Where can we make changes? You know, there's so much more with horizontal sections now being the norm on land, for example, in the US. So that group are very, very active in saying, what do we really do? Which I think is key to, training has to be about what you really do, not just to pass the exam.
And so are you seeing enough participation with the committee, and how can companies participate if they wish to?
So any IADC member company can have representation at the meetings. The obvious answer is no, not enough participation. Certainly contractors. The Well Control Committee meetings are very well attended by the training companies, some of the land companies, and over the time that I've been involved, more of the offshore guys, but we'd always welcome more participation. I think it's great if anybody, and it's important, it's our voice. We are the drilling contractors. Let's all take this opportunity to have our say, and if you're not there, you're not represented.
Well, thank you so much for being here, Pete, and for telling us about the Well Control Committee.
No, thank you, Linda. Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.